Hi guys. So today we're going to be talking about volume of prisms and cylinders. Prisms are formed by translating in space of polygons. For example, I can take this triangle right here and keep stacking it on top of each other until I reach a desired height, and this will form my triangular prism. Okay, the prisms are called by the name of the bases. Every single prism has two identical bases, okay, and lateral faces on the sides. Okay, so the side faces, like this one and this one right here, are called lateral faces. Okay, if the lateral faces are perpendicular to the base, okay, if they are perpendicular to the base, then a prism is called a right prism. If they are not perpendicular to the base, like for example in this cylinder right here, you can see that the lateral side is not perpendicular. This angle is not a right angle. So if the prism or a cylinder is slanted, it's called oblique. Okay. Now, the important thing about volume of cylinders and prisms is that the volume of the prism or cylinder does not depend on whether it's a right or oblique. Okay? The volume is calculated by finding the area of the base and multiplying it by the height. Okay? Cavalier's principle states that if two solids have the exact same base and the same exact cross section at every level and the exact same height, then the volumes are the same. So looking at this picture, since these two cylinders have the exact same cross section at every level and they have the same exact height, that means that they will also have the same volume. Okay, so here are the formulas for the volumes. Okay, so the volume of a prism or cylinder is equal to the volume of the area of the base. Okay, so whatever the base is, find the area of the base and then multiply that base by the height. Okay, in cylinders, since the base is a circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared. We can rewrite this formula for volume as pi r squared times h. Okay, here's an example problem. Okay, so we have a trapezoidal prism because both bases are trapezoids. Okay, notice that in prisms, the lateral faces, which are these right here, are always either rectangles if it's a right prism, or some of them might be parallelograms if it's an oblique prism. Okay, so to find the area of this trapezoid, we're going to use the formula for the area of a trapezoid, which is 1/2 of the sum of the bases, so 10 plus 6, times the height of the prism. So here, the area of one of those trapezoids is 64. And to find the volume of this trapezoidal prism, we're going to just take 64 and multiply by the height, which in this case, since it's laying on its side, is this length 15. Okay, and the volume of this prism is 960 cubic centimeters. Okay, remember that volume is always calculated in cubic units since we have 3 dimensions being multiplied by each other. Okay, and that's it. Check out our practice problems next.